Hi everyone, welcome back to another recipe. Hope you're all staying safe at home and I wish all my viewers a very happy Ramzan. Let's hope and pray for a better tomorrow. Egg curry is made in numerous ways, but today I'm sharing with you all the most basic way of making DHABA style Indian egg curry. This popular side dish is made with boiled eggs that is cooked in onion and tomato gravy. Hope you like it. Again, my niece is helping me over the voiceover for this recipe. Good egg curry starts with hard-boiled eggs. So, in a bowl, I have taken 4 hard-boiled eggs. Add 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder or normal red chilli powder. Then add half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Then goes in half teaspoon of salt. Mix the spices thoroughly so that the spices coat the eggs well. Using a knife, give some cuts at all sides of the eggs. In a pan, heat 1/4 cup of oil. Once it's hot, add in the eggs and fry toasting in between. At low flame till the eggs turn golden for 2 to 3 minutes. Do not over fry them, else the spices will get burnt. Now we'll remove the eggs to a plate. In a mixer jar, grind 2 large onions and a few coriander leaves and blend to a smooth paste. Now we'll start to make the curry. Heat the oil. Add in 2 or 3 cloves, 2 or 3 cardamom. We are going to use the same pan to make the curry. Then add few black peppercorns. When they splutter, add in the onion and coriander paste. Now saute well for a minute or until the raw smell goes off. Then goes in 2 whole green chilies. Again saute well. Then add in 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and mix well. Now goes in half teaspoon of red chilli powder.
I'm adding Kashmiri red chilli powder as this will give our dish the color and taste of actual dhaba style gravy. Then goes in 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Then 1/4 teaspoon of roasted cumin or zira powder. Now mix this together for a few seconds. When you see oil has started to separate from the onions, add in finely chopped tomatoes and mix well. Then add 1 teaspoon of salt. When tomatoes become soft, add in 1 teaspoon of garam masala and mix everything well. Now I am adding 1 tablespoon of curd mixed with 1 teaspoon of besan or gram flour. Add it slowly to the gravy. As this will make the curry thick and creamy as restaurant. Fry everything well until a nice aroma comes out. And the gravy starts to leave the sides of the pan. Now pour 1 cup of water. Give it a boil and add in the boiled eggs. I'm going to cover it with a lid just for about 2 minutes. Let the flame be low so that all the flavors and spices are nicely absorbed by the eggs. Turn off the flame. Now you can see the curry has cooked well. And the eggs are nicely coated with the thick and spicy mouth-watering gravy. So this perfect dhaba style egg curry is ready to plate in. Serve hot, and this goes well with plain rice or paratha.
Hope you found this video helpful. If so, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until I come back with yet another recipe, take care. Bye bye.